Soldier boy, tell. Soldier boy, I been it. Why me crank it? Why me?
Welcome back to my channel, y'all, for Vlogmas Day 7. So this time I'm going to attempt to do some festive Christmas nails. So first things first, apply a clear coat for your base coating. Okay, so I have the clear on my nails, and now before I start, I do want to show you my inspiration or what I'm trying to go off of. So I saw this, I thought it was cute. I'm going to try it. There's no way I could do a snowflake, so I'm going to do something different and show you. I'm using this red color. Well, this is actually not red, it's like a deep wine. It looks red on the camera, but this is the color I'm going to use. And then I'm skipping over that middle finger because I'm going to do a French tip on that, just like this. When you do it, you do not have to do it perfectly because I'm going to show you how to clean it up. So using this little brush, which is actually an eye concealer brush, I'm going to clean up the French tip. So dip it in some nail polish remover and just clean it up. And this is how the French tip looks. Super clean, super flawless. So if you ever want to do French tips on your nails, that is how you do it. So now I'm going to take this white nail polish color to do the design I'm going to do. Using the same brush, I'm going to dip a little bit in the nail polish, and I'm creating a line down the middle of my nail. Again, you're going to clean it up. I went ahead and also did my horizontal line, so you have one going down the middle from top to bottom and then across. And then the next step is come from a diagonal corner going outwards toward the end of your nail tip. You're just going to create like a curved line, and you're going to do that to both corners of that cross. Now this part is a little more tricky, especially with the brush I'm using. So now I'm going to try and create like a loop. Do that on both sides, and that'll be how you complete the bow tie. That'll be it after that. So now the pinky I left alone until now. I finally put the color on it. So the base color I'm going to use is the red still, and I'm going to make white stripes on it. So you're just going to dab diagonal lines across the nail. I did 3, and then after I finished that, I took some glitter gold nail polish I had and underlined the white lines just to give it that sparkle. Okay, so that's really it. So now you just top it off with the top coat. This is the Sally Hansen gel color, but yeah, just top it off and that's it. So now you have your finished set. These are my nails. I think I did a pretty good job.
I don't need to flex.
It's okay, girl, but your nails look good.
Thanks, so.
You welcome.
You know, I don't need to
what you wait?
show what I'm
Girl, what did you do?
But, thanks for all the compliments about my nails.
No, you good, girl. You welcome.
And all that.
Oh, okay.
And, thanks.
Like the video down below, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas video.